Okay, now moving on to the next question, question number 2. Question number 2 is again a very easy question and it can be finished in less than 45 seconds. You just need to understand that we have to minimize the total number of workers and the number of workers will always be a positive integer. This is just one thing that you need to keep in mind to get the answer of this question. Okay. So question says that owner has employed men, women and children. The ratio is 4 is to 7 is to 10. So I'll assume the number of men as 4x, number of women as 7x and number of children as 10x. So this is number of men, number of women and number of children. Okay. Now the number of women is more than the number of men as I can see. Okay, 7x is definitely more than 4x. And this number is a multiple of both 9 and 11. Now, a number which is a multiple of 9 and 11, that means it has to be a multiple of the LCM of 9 and 11, which is 99. So I can say that the difference between number of women and the number of men, that is 7x minus 4x, will be a multiple of 99. So I can write it as 99k, where k will be any positive integer. All right. So further upon solving, I'll get 3x is equal to 99k and the value of x will be equal to 33k. Okay. Now we have to find out the minimum possible number of workers in the factory. I will add the number of workers 4x plus 7x plus 10x. The total number of workers comes out to be 21x. Now to minimize the number of workers in the factory, I have to minimize the value of x. Now to minimize the value of x, I must substitute the value of k as 1, which is the smallest positive integer. So from here, the minimum value of x will be 33 and substituting it here, the total number of workers will become 21 multiplied by 33. Now you can multiply these two numbers. 33 multiplied by 20 is 660 plus 33, 693 should be the minimum number of workers in the factory. And yes, this is the correct answer for this question. So again, second question was also easy. So we have seen the first question based on functions, the second question, and both these questions were very simple.